The Publication Finder in Library Search is a great place to start your research. Its Browse Subjects tool lets you look for books and journals that relate to specific subjects and easily find scholarly sources that contain relevant research. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Then click the full-text journals link below the search bar. Alternatively, you can click Library Catalog and then Publication Finder on the left side. You're now in the Publication Finder interface, which functions much like the normal library search, but with the important limitation that it only searches for books, journals, magazines, and streaming media. Instead of typing keywords in the search box, click the Browse Subjects link. This shows a list of subjects that you can look through to find publications you're interested in. For example, I'm interested in learning more about government, but I don't really know where to start. I'd like to find some books and journals that have information related to my topic, but I don't see anything that says government. However, there is a topic called political science that looks promising. I can click on that and see several subtopics such as international law, political theory, and local government, municipal government. That one looks good, and I can see that there are over 200 publications related to this topic, so I'll probably find something useful there. Clicking on that brings me to the Publication Finder search results screen, even though I haven't typed anything in the search box. Instead, I see that a filter has been applied to limit my results to local government, municipal government. All the publications I see here are related to that subject. These aren't individual articles, but a collection of books, journals, and even a newsletter. I can scroll through this list or use the filters on the left to refine things even more. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.